Hello, everyone, and welcome to today's breath practice. For today's breath practice, we'll be doing what's called a bird breath. For this practice, you'll need to be sitting or standing up tall. Go ahead and interlace your fingers with your knuckles touching under your chin and your elbows down at your sides. When we breathe in, we'll raise up both of our elbows out to the sides. And when we breathe out, we'll let our elbows come back down gently. So go ahead and inhale, raising both of the elbows out to the sides. And exhale, letting your elbows come back down gently. Breathe in, raising both of the elbows out to the sides. And breathe out, letting the elbows come back down. Do one more. Inhale, raising both elbows back out to the sides. And one more. Exhale, letting the elbows come back down gently.